Hey everybody, T.O. from Art Geek Teaching. Today we're going to take a look at embellishing a print. Coming up. Okay, so here I'm just mixing up some paint. This is just a little 8x10 print on canvas that I matted to, I don't even know, I think it's foam board maybe, or I might have mounted it to a canvas board. But it's just a canvas print that is mounted, and I like to use my prints because it gives me another way to create something that's not necessarily the same time as an original. Of course, they're not going to sell for the same amount as an original either, but it's a unique way to use my paintings over and create something new from them. And so with this, I am just over painting some areas. I've used some stencils on there, or at least I think I'm going to. I don't know if I have yet. And depending on how I'm going to finish it will dictate rather what paint I'm going to use. And so this particular image right here, I'm either going to just clear coat with some matte medium, or I will use resin. And so I'm okay to use acrylic paint. Oftentimes I do these with molten wax, which is encaustic, and if that's the case, I will just use a water-based paint, either tempera. I particularly like to use chalk paints, and so same thing. If I'm using chalk paint, then I'm good to go. I'll make sure that I don't use any acrylic on it, even in sealing or anything, sealing the print. And so anyway, I'm just going to paint along here and add some color to it. No big deal. It looks like I'm off the paper and you can't see it all, but really it's very simple, very quick. These usually take maybe 10 minutes to do, and so again, it's just a nice way to redo or reuse your print. So here I'm just using some stencils and a piece of hardware cloth there, to put some texture in. I'm going through now and adding some highlights, and really that's it. I'm just picking out some areas that I want to work on them for just a few minutes, and then I let it go and call it good. So I'm just going to let this roll on and play some music. Okay, as I wrap this up here, this was just a little small 8x10, kind of a test. I've got a larger 16x20 that I'll actually do in encaustic, and I will show you when we do it. But that's it. Thanks for joining me. Have a good night.